नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण कंटिन्यू करणार आहोत. पुढचा टॉपिक आहे इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल. व्हॉट डू मीन बाय इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल ऑफ अ सर्कल. कन्सिडर अ सर्कल. हा सर्कल काढलेला आहे. या सर्कलवर ही आर्क आहे, BAC आर्क आहे. या BAC आर्कवर कोन BACचा एक वर्टेक्स आहे. ओके, त्या आरचा प्रत्येक एंड पॉईंट त्या कोणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूवरती आहे. तर अशा वेळेस या अँगलला BAC या अँगलला इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल असे म्हणतात. दिस अँगल BAC इज कॉल्ड इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल बाय ॲन आर्क BAC here. Okay, so this angle is written in this here with this here. Similarly here, if you consider here this arc PQR here, this arc here, therefore angle PQR is called the inscribed angle by an arc PQR here. Okay, so similarly here LMN is also called the inscribed angle here according to definition, and therefore we can write the definition here. Inscribed angle BAC inscribed by an arc BDC असंही आपल्याला वाचतं. समजा डी पॉईंट इथे घेतलं तर BDC असंही वाचतात आहे, म्हणजे मागची आर्क आहे. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, angle PQR is an inscribed angle by an arc PSR. Next topic is intercepted arc. Now here, what do you mean by intercepted arc here? Now an arc, अशी आर्क की त्याचे प्रत्येक एंड पॉईंट कोणाच्या बाजूवर असतील आणि त्या आर्क संपूर्ण इंटिरियर हिअर आर लाईज इनसाइड ॲन अँगल. तर अशा आर्कला इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क म्हणतात. सो दीज आर्क आर कॉल्ड ॲज इंटरसेप्टेड. समजा हा जो अँगल दिला आहे PQR, दिस अँगल इंटरसेप्ट्स दिस आर्क. म्हणजे त्या कोणाच्या आतमधली जेवढी काही आर्क असेल त्या आर्कला म्हणतो आपण इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. हा जो कोन दिलेला आहे IJK, याच्या आतमधली ही जी आर्क आहे या आर्कला आपण म्हणू इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. या कोणाच्या आतमधली ही जी आर्क आहे या आर्कला म्हणू आपण इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. सो दिस इज अ इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क हिअर. नाउ इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क बाय ॲन अँगल हिअर. मग तो अँगल इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल असलाच पाहिजे असं आवश्यक नाही. दिस फिगर डझंट सॅटिस्फाईड द इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल हिअर. हा इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल नाही आहे इथं IJK, परंतु IMK दिस इज द इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. ही इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क आहे. द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ an arc lies on the sides of an angle and all the points of the arc lies in the interior of an angle. Such an arc is called as intercepted arc by that angle. कारण की इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क हा अँगल इंटरसेप्ट करतो हियर. एक्झाम्पल, arc BXC is an intercepted arc by an angle BEC. Second example, arc PTR is an intercepted arc by an angle PQR. Third example, arc IMK is an intercepted arc by an angle IJK. Now next and important theorem is inscribed angle theorem. What is the statement here? The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the intercepted arc by that angle, by it. Now given, so here I have drawn the figure here. Consider the circle having center O. Angle BAC is an inscribed angle by an arc BAC. BXC is an intercepted arc by an angle BAC. O be the center of circle. Angle BAC is the inscribed angle by an arc BEC. Arc BXC is intercepted arc by an angle BEC. So this is the given. To prove, measure of angle BAC is equal to here. The measure of an angle, inscribed angle, is half of the measure of intercepted arc, means arc BXC. So here proof here. Now we can solve this proof by using a 3 cases. Case first, the center of circle lies on the side of an inscribed angle. Okay, तो त्याच्या lies on the side of an inscribed angle असं आपल्याला घ्यायचे. So that we have to make the construction here. समजा जर असं असेल तर हा जो सेंटर आहे, हा सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल लाइज ऑन वन ऑफ द साइड ऑफ इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल, एका बाजूवरती असेल. ही पहिली केस आपण गृहीत धरलेली आहे. आणि BXC इज नथिंग बट इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क बाय एन अँगल BAC. सो इन दिस केस हियर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ हियर OB, joint OB here. Draw segment OB. Here OB and OA are the radii of the same circle, and therefore angle OAB and angle OBA are nothing but the same. If we consider this angle as a P, therefore we can say that these are nothing but the same here. Okay. In triangle OAB, segment OA congruent to segment OB. These are the radii of same circle. Since it is a radii of same circle, this OAB is an isoscalar triangle, and therefore by isoscale angle theorem, if angle OAB is congruent to angle OBA, we just let that here, let measure of angle OAB is equal to measure of angle OBA is equal to P. Number 1. This is our letting here. Now if you consider here angle BOC with respect to triangle OAB, then this angle BOC is an exterior angle. Okay. Now angle BOC is an exterior angle of triangle OBA. This satisfied the definition. Okay. So these are nothing but linear pair, and therefore this must be. Therefore by remote interior angle theorem. What is the remote interior angle theorem? The measure of exterior angle is nothing but the sum of their remote interior angle, and therefore we can say that measure of angle BOC is equal to sum of measure of angle OAB plus measure of angle OBA, and these are angle, both are angle P, and P plus P is equal to 2P. Therefore measure of angle BOC is equal to 2P. Therefore P is equal to half of measure of angle BOC. Number 2. Now angle BOC means BOC is nothing but a central angle, and therefore we know that the measure of central angle is nothing but here the measure of their intercepted arc BXC, and therefore here measure of angle, here this angle P can be written as in terms of BAO, angle BAO, which is equal to half of this measure is nothing but measure of arc BXC. Now this can be written as, that is measure of angle BAC. Instead of O we take a different point C, so BAO ऐवजी आपण BAC आपण त्याला वाचू, आणि हा होईल half of measure of arc BXC. So in this way we can prove it here. Number 1 हा वाला 1 लिहितो मी रोमनचा. त्याच्यानंतर आपण केस सेकंड घेणार. ओके. The center of circle lies inside and inscribed angle. Okay, second, the center of the circle lies inside the inscribed angle. Okay, like this here. So O be the center of the circle, lies inside an inscribed angle here. Now what to do here? We have to take here, draw a line or ray which is passing through the center and intersect the circle at point D here. You have to take here. Draw a ray AD passing through the center of circle, intersects circle at point D. Okay. Therefore, my case first. आता केस फर्स्ट मध्ये या ठिकाणी पहा BAD इज अन इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल होईल आणि BXD हा काय होईल इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क अँड देअरफॉर अकॉर्डिंग टू केस नंबर 1 मेजर ऑफ अँगल BAD इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ मेजर ऑफ देअर इंटरसेक्टेड आर्क BXD होईल. नंबर given. Also here this DAC is an inscribed angle. Okay, so this is an inscribed angle, intercepted arc DYC, and therefore we can say that measure of angle DAC is equal to half of measure of arc DYC. So this is number, suppose second. Now just adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2 we get. Adding 1 and 2 we get. If we add, we will get measure of angle BAD plus measure of angle DAC is equal to half of measure of arc BXD plus half of measure of arc DYC, which is equal to half of measure of arc this much, measure of arc BXD plus arc DYC. You take out half common, half of. Now what is the complete arc? Arc BXD plus arc DYC. According to arc addition, this is nothing but measure of arc BXC, BXC, and therefore this is the measure of arc BXC. Now what is the total angle? Measure of angle BAD plus measure of angle DAC. This is also total angle, that is equal to measure of angle BAC, and therefore measure of angle BAC is nothing but here half of measure of angle BXC. Hence we can prove here. So this is number second here. Similarly here, in case here, case 3, similarly we can prove if center of circle is outside an inscribed angle, then तिसरी केस याच पद्धतीने येईल. तिथं फक्त सबट्रॅक्शन करावं लागेल. मेजर ऑफ अँगल BAC is also equal to half of measure of arc BXC. एवढं या quadratic of the inscribed angle theorem. पहिली कॉरोलरी अशी आहे की अँगल इन्स्क्राइब्ड इन अ सेम आर्क, ओके, सेम आर्क आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. Angle inscribed in a same arc are congruent. Now here angle PQR inscribed in this arc, PSR या आर्क मध्ये म्हणजे PQR आर्क यामध्ये. Similarly angle PSR also inscribed in the same arc. Given angle PQR and angle PSR are inscribed angle in an arc PQR. ठीक, कसे बसता येईल. टू प्रूव्ह, so here angle PQR congruent to angle PSR. Okay. Proof. Angle PQR is an inscribed angle by an arc PQR. Therefore, by inscribed angle theorem, what the inscribed angle theorem says here, suppose I write here T suppose, then here we can say that measure of angle PQR is equal to half of measure of arc, आणि इंटरसेप्ट केलेली आर्क म्हणजे कोणती होईल, PTR. Similarly, angle PSR is an inscribed angle by an arc PQR. Therefore, measure of angle PSR is also equal to half of measure of arc PTR. त्यांनी सेम आर्क इंटरसेप्टेड केलेली आहे. ओके, therefore, so here right side are same from 1 and 2. We can say that measure of angle PQR is equal to measure of angle PSR from 1 and 2 because the right side are same, therefore LHS are same. The measure of angles are equal, therefore given angles PQR are congruent. PSR. Come to the next here corollary. What the corollary says here, angle inscribed in a semicircle. ABC is nothing but a semicircle. Arc ABC is nothing but a semicircle. Given angle ABC is an inscribed angle by a semicircular arc ABC. म्हणजे ही आर्क जी आहे ही सेमी सर्कल आर्क आहे, कारण की AC हा डायमीटर आहे असं आपण गृहीत धरू. टू प्रूव्ह measure of angle ABC इज इक्वल टू राईट अँगल दिलेला आहे म्हणजे 90 डिग्री. सो दॅट वी हॅव टू प्रूफ. Inscribed angle ABC intercepts an arc AMC. Therefore, by inscribed angle theorem, what is the inscribed angle theorem says? Here the measure of inscribed angle ABC is half of measure of intercepted arc AMC. Okay. Half of this. So what about the measure of arc AMC? Now this AMC is also a semicircle because this is a semicircle, and we know that the measure of semicircle arc is always 180 degree, and therefore this is equal to 180 degree, and therefore this must be equal to 90 degree, and therefore measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, and hence proved.